I'm grabbing the camera because I was going to take it out, show you Kate. Oh! You're 31 weeks pregnant and you're still crushing workouts like nothing? Like it literally just seems like you're doing your regular workouts.
I'm crushing them. Yeah, I'm actually doing more weights now than I was before I was pregnant. I mean, I still listen to my body.
Strong mama.
Yeah, I want to be so strong.
You guys, I am crazy pregnant. I know I'm not even, totally there yet, but I'm 31 weeks and it's no joke. And neither is my determination to be fit for this birthing process when I have to push this wonderful baby out into the world. And one of my goals for this birth is I really want to feel the healthiest I've ever felt so I can try to conquer a VBAC, vaginal birth after cesarean. And it's been so long since I felt good with my migraines and everything, but this pregnancy has really been a gift of feeling good. I've been moving my body every day. I've been eating dense and nutritious food, keeping it fun and sexy with Joey, running a business, and the cherry on top, of course, is raising a creative and amazing 5-year-old with a never-ending energy. So it's all about setting myself up for success every day and, doing something physical is part of that. So I wanted to create a space for that, which is a little gym in our house. The challenge for today is I'm trying to make it the best foldable gym because I'm taking over a guest room that also has a folding bed, and it will be my little magic place in the meantime.
Wait, what's your favorite color?
After 42 years of life, I don't really know.
Why?
I like all kinds of colors.
I think that's a totally fine answer. I know.
Same as mine.
Oh, you guys are matching.
We're talking all about, this is half and half, which we're talking about, being 41, what I've learned is how important it is to take care of your body, and also that I'm constantly learning about how to do that. It's crazy because I used to, Joey talked about this in our last video about like our morning routine, but we now eat carnivore basically. So like meat, eggs, some dairy. But prior to that, for years, I ate as close to a vegetarian diet. Like I was macrobiotic, vegan, pescatarian, vegetarian for years. And through my process of trying to find ways to heal my body from my chronic migraines, because I was just not satisfied with the whole idea that, oh, you just have them and it's now something you have and you have to just take the medication. Like that was not okay with me, especially because my blood test started showing autoimmune markers. So I had chronic migraine plus some autoimmune disease, and I found some really compelling, amazing evidence, plus researched and had this woman coach me through it, Angela Stanton, but about how eating a carnivore based way of eating, right? They don't really call it a diet because you just literally switch your entire way of eating, could be really healing for your body. It's not necessarily a forever thing, it's a healing thing. So I committed 2 years to it. It's actually been 2 years that I've been doing it. Joey started doing it a year after me. He's had amazing results. 2, it improved my headaches. It didn't take them away entirely, but I was willing to give myself multiple years of healing, but it reversed my autoimmune disease markers, which you're not supposed to be able to reverse those. So that was really compelling evidence for me, and I've been sticking with it. I'm now, almost 8 months into this pregnancy and feeling great and strong. I even think that it really helped me get pregnant. I mean, who knows, but I got pregnant so quickly and easily at 41 years old, which was really cool, and I felt so lucky. But I do think that there's something to be said for it. Obviously, the fact that it has just been showing up in my blood work. You kind of can't deny that reversal of things. So anyways, obviously there's so many nuances to it, and I want to delve into that more. I'm thinking about doing probably a podcast episode about it when we launch our podcast. So let me know if that's something you're interested in, because I could talk all about my history and how I do it now, and tips and eating and stuff like that. I used to be a No, I used to be like a dark chocolate girl, and now I don't need any sugar, I don't need any fiber, I don't need any vegetables, literally. And it's pretty awesome, so half and half shot. Yeah.
I won.
High five.
Mom, I have an idea. How about you rub your hand on there, and right when you rub your hand on there, I'll press it.
Wait, do it again.
Wait, oh wait.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, you can count it.
1, 2, 3. There.
Okay, so why are we in here? We are telling you quickly that the Winston fireplace, which comes in this
We don't have any in black.
Oh, we don't have any in black.
They're
But
still sold out.
The white that was also sold out is now not sold out anymore. So if you have been wanting one of these, now's the time to get it. And we also are having a big sale on our website, so MrKate.com.
So if you've been wanting one of these fireplaces,
The Winston fireplace, which
Now's
turns
your
on with a
opportunity.
remote. Show them again, Moon.
What?
It's got a remote control, fire, and optional heat. We don't use the heat setting here in Hawaii, but you might want it.
but we have it on all the time, so proof that it's beautiful for any climate.
Taking off my shoes to get on the bed.
Happy shopping.
Okay, stop turning it on and off, please, sir. This is how we test our products, though, to make sure they get so
No,
many.
stop it.
We want to make sure they can turn off and on like a ton of times and not break. Fireplace does not include a kid to control the
That will turn it
fireplace.
on and off non-stop. No. All right, hopefully with my more clear head from my workout, I will be able to design the house.
How does this work?
Well, it folds. So technically, with that folded down and the stair climber folded down, we could put the Murphy bed down over those too.
So the room that we're in right now has been my multi-purpose room. Like, I've got my desk in here, I've got my romantasy books, I've got my treadmill, but we're gonna turn this room into the like nursery baby space room. And I thought, okay, it's probably a good time to figure out like a dedicated workout space, because I'm so right brain. I'm usually working out like all over the place. I'll do like weights outside where we have the weight bench. I'll do Cardio Barre or Flobility in like the kitchen of the guest house, but there's this small guest bedroom in the guest house, and I'm hoping we can put the treadmill and the new little foldable stair climber back there and be able to fold it up to fit under the bed when we have guests come. I'm hoping it's gonna work, but we gotta try.
Ooh. Can you go straight? Oh, yeah, we're all trapped back here. You got it?
I don't know.
Ooh! Oh! Well, this is all harder than we thought it was gonna be.
Whoa!
Oh yeah, there's pink paint on that now. Nice. These hallways are like a
Wider.
teeny bit wider.
I thought we were getting scammed by Amazon because we started getting DVDs in the mail, and I was like, what the world? So what? Why are we getting DVDs in the mail? Who buys DVDs? And then all of a sudden this DVD player showed up. Turns out Kate decided to go back to 1999 for her workouts.
Don't talk about my DVD player. I think I'll actually set this up here for now.
Mm-hmm.
This is my Eric's pad. Stretching. I've got my little shoesies. That's the stuff I have to take care of on my way out, okay? It's funny how there's like toys in every room. A little aromatherapy. I use this every day. My lacrosse ball to get out all the knots. We can use this chair
There's
my
your bar.
I've got enough room here for my leg kicks and my plies. This. Boom. Well, this is gonna be so much fun for me to come in here now. They're all cute. My shoes, my slip-on ones. I can wear bare feet. Climb. This one you don't plug in.
And you get to look out another window.
I know. For this. Ow. Gosh, so tight. We're burning all at the same time. I could not do this forever.
It's like, quick, the guests are coming. The moment of truth.
Can we have a foldable gym? Boom. Ooh. Oh, it just made it on that end. Literally just made it. When the bedding's on, you totally won't see it, and then people can totally use this as a guest room.
Yeah, good job.
Oh, that's wonderful. I like that.